Are you looking for a picture-perfect shepherd who just needs a little extra attention at mealtimes? Well, then you should meet our pup pal, Hiccup.
Hiccup is a 4-year-old German Shepherd. Weighing in about 67 pounds, this boy needs to put on a little bit of weight. He should weigh in about 80 as a large breed dog. This little boy is picture perfect. He loves his toys, he loves his people, and he loves other dogs and loves to play. He has one little quirk. He has megaesophagus.
Megaesophagus is a condition that requires him to sit upright when ingesting food and water.
Because of the megaesophagus, he does have to be fed like a person sitting up. He even has a very special chair just for him. Hiccup gets along with all his fur friends, but sometimes he likes to bark to let him know that he's ready to play. This little boy is fine sharing his food and toys with other people and fur friends. However, the food is important to monitor because of his condition.
Hiccup is crate trained, but he prefers a plastic crate to a wire one.
Hiccup is not very treat motivated, but that's okay. He's very toy motivated. He loves his toys. In fact, he loves to take his favorites with him on a walk. If you're looking for a super sweet, super handsome boy that just wants to play and be a sweet pup, then Hiccup is your man.
If you'd like to learn more about Hiccup or to apply to adopt, click on the links in the description below.